In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add OpenTable in Framer. Let's get started by opening your Framer project. Navigate to the page or frame where you want the reservation widget to live, so you can see exactly how it will fit into your layout. Next, click Insert to open Framer's component panel. If the panel closes or you don't see categories right away, click Insert again to make sure it's visible and pinned. In the panel, look for the Utility category. This is where Framer groups helpful embeds and tools, including OpenTable. Click Utility to reveal its contents. On your canvas, click the highlighted area where you plan to place the reservation module. This confirms your target, which helps Framer know where the next component should land. If you're arranging elements with precision, switch the selected layer to Absolute Positioning. Absolute placement lets you pin the widget exactly where you want it within its parent. After checking the fit, toggle back to Relative Positioning to return the element to the normal document flow so it responds well across screen sizes. Now, continue by clicking the highlighted controls and handles on the canvas to fine-tune your selection. Use those highlights to confirm the parent frame, adjust the bounding box, and set the approximate space you want the reservation widget to occupy. This quick pass ensures you won't have to wrestle with layout after the component is inserted. With the spot prepared, choose OpenTable from the utility list. Clicking OpenTable adds the reservation component to your selected area. You should see it drop into place within the frame you prepared. If the widget appears slightly off, use the same highlighted selection and frame controls to nudge it into alignment so it feels at home with your typography and spacing. Next, click the highlighted control for Settings, then choose English as the language. This sets the component's interface to English for your visitors. Language settings are part of the component's configuration and help keep your brand experience consistent, especially if your site content is already in English. When everything looks good on the canvas, it's time to go live. Click Publish. Framer will build and push your changes so the OpenTable reservation module is available on your site. After publishing, give the live page a quick look to confirm spacing, alignment, and text clarity. And that's it. You opened your project, used the Insert panel, navigated to Utility,